Right here, we got my favorite sneaker of this pack. The France colorway. I'm pretty sure they just won the World Cup. I could be wrong. This is the Nike Air More Uptempo 96 Europe City Pack. It should be country pack. I don't know why people call it a city pack. This is the France colorway. In my opinion, it's the best colorway. Like, look at that. Look at those. They're just fire, you know? I don't know if you guys are familiar with the term fire. Sneaker culture, I'm not sure. As you can see, France on the map, right there at the back of the shoe. Black and gold colorway, definitely extremely significant, you know? Kind of reminds me of that Nike by Balmain creative director collection that they had. I know his name, I just can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to say it. Olivier Rousting or something like that. I couldn't say his last name for sure. As always, we're going to put them on. As you can see, the back of these sneakers here, they're pretty much the same with the France on the map. They got these little pull tabs here, so it's super easy to put them on. Same right here. I mean, look at that. It's fire. The quality is lacking just a little bit. It's a little bit of lacking in quality, but other than that, I can't complain about these shoes. Let me just say, these are metal lace tips, so that's a huge plus for me. The other shoelaces did not have metal lace tips in the other sneakers, so definitely something to take into consideration if you're looking to buy a pair of these. I mean, all in all, you can't complain about someone wearing a shoe like this. It's pretty fire. Now I know most people like this colorway the best because it's simple and it's black and gold, but I do want to say that both the other shoes in this pack are pretty fire. Even though these are probably the best, I still want to say you should consider copying the other pairs because they'll be a little bit less popular. That's about it. Gotta mention that there's some leather right here. Right there. I thought the whole shoe would be made out of that material, but no. It's all good. Pretty fire sneakers. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.